A pipe cleaner panda bear is super cute. This is a more advanced project, but I break it down in easy step-by-step instructions, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need 5 white pipe cleaners, 3 black pipe cleaners, a pencil, a thick marker, fingernail clippers, googly eyes, and thick white craft glue. Make the head of the panda by holding one end of a white pipe cleaner up against a pencil. Then wrap it around, coiling one coil on top of the other to make a round bundle. Remove the head from the pencil and set it aside. Now we're going to start the body. Hold another pipe cleaner up against the thick marker and make a bundle, one coil right on top of the other. Then take another white pipe cleaner, hold it up against the marker as well, and wrap coils around the bundle that you just made. We're making the belly of the panda. I'll take the last pipe cleaner and do the same thing. Concentrate on the middle of the bundle so it forms something that looks like a circle. Remove the body from the marker. Cut a black pipe cleaner in half with the fingernail clippers. We're going to be making the ears and the legs of the panda. Curl down the top of each of the halves just maybe 2 or 3 times to make tiny panda ears. Thread the ears onto each side of the head behind the coils. Let the long tail come out through the bottom of the head. Hold the 2 tails together and thread on the body. Each tail will now become a leg. For each one, fold it in half up to the bottom of the body, and then fold the whole thing in the middle again to form a leg. Do the same thing with the other side. Cut another black pipe cleaner in half. These halves are going to become the eye patches and the arms. So once again, fold down the tops of each of the halves, but this time do it in an oval shape and make it a little bit bigger than the ears. You want to roll it down about 2 or 3 times. Insert each of the eye patch pieces into the front of the head and then out through the bottom of the head where the arms are going to go. And you're going to do it across the body. So the right eye patch tail will become the left arm. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Now form the arms the same way you did the legs. Fold each tail in half and then in half again. And do the same thing on the other side. Cut the last white pipe cleaner in half, and we're going to be making the muzzle. So you're going to roll the end in a very tight coil, continue down, and make it a slight cone shape. When you get about 2/3 of the way done, you want to bend out the tail and clip it so that there is just about 1/2 inch of the tail left. Use the tail to stick the muzzle into the face right in the front between the eye patches. Cut the last black pipe cleaner in half. This will be the nose and the tail of the panda. So curl down just the very end to make a nose and bend it so it faces forward. Now you're going to stick the long tail through the muzzle and manipulate it so it goes through the head, down the back, and out to the back of the body where the tail should be. You might find it easier to take out the muzzle first and then insert it back in with the tail. Cut the tail to about 3/4 of an inch to an inch long and curl it up to make the panda tail in the back. The last step is to glue on the googly eyes. Use a thick white craft glue. Set the eyes in place, and when they're completely dry, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.